Take command of the road in the 2015 Infiniti QX80. A 5.6-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated 7-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as cruise control, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated front and rear seats, power moonroof, and a blind spot monitoring system. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate, no matter how far the drive. Infiniti ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.